All right, when the light comes on, the sensor turns off. All right, so all you got to do is walk in front of the light, and there you go. All right, so we just set up the light in our closet. All right, and I'm gonna show you a couple of things that you can do on it. So we're gonna change the colors: green, purple, and then we could go back to red. Now we could do modes, changing modes, and it's gonna change to various different colors. You guys can see that with the remote. Now, one of the best things about it is like you could turn it off and then you could turn it on too. Now, we are going to change the color on it, and you guys can see that you can actually change the color tone here. I'm going to show you. First of all, we're going to go to 50%, change it to different modes. All right, there's one mode, two modes, three modes. All right, so we got three modes. All right, we're gonna go the first one first, second, and then third. Turn off the light, turn it back on. We could turn off the top light. We could turn it off, just keep the light, top light on. When you change modes. All right, just make sure you set up the base. Once you set up the base, we're gonna put our light back in there. So if you move towards the system when you turn on the light, this is what happens.